Hey, what's going on, guys? So in this video, I want to share with you guys why you're not making money in your online business. All right, so stay tuned. What's up, guys? Jermaine Cobbins here. So look, if this is your first time to any of my videos, be sure to do me a favor by clicking the subscribe button, all right? And look, if you get anything from this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment on the best takeaway, all right? In this video, guys, I want to talk about why you're not making money in your online business. First of all, guys, not very long ago, I was that person, okay? I was struggling to make money online. I was struggling to generate leads. I was just struggling, guys. And I'm gonna tell you this, look, I'm no one special, all right? I don't possess any type of special powers or anything like that. I'm just like you. The thing is, the reason why so many people don't make money online is because they're trying to do too many things. And I know you guys have heard it before, find one thing, make it work. I didn't do it, right? And yes, I struggle, guys. And I continue to struggle until I say, you know what, I'm tired of struggling. Let me find one thing, like what are the core things that I really need in order to make money online? So I want to share in this video, guys, 3 things that you absolutely need to make money online, all right? The thing is this, you do need a skill. You want to know, how to close people. You want to have some videos, some persuasion skills, right? But these are not things that you just necessarily need. Yes, it's good to be able to close your prospects, right? Well, it helps to be able to do some videos and things like that. But these are not the things that you absolutely need in order to make money online. Matter of fact, you don't need video. You don't need any type of closing skills per se. They help, but you don't really need any closing skills. But the idea is you're gonna need these 3 things, okay? So let me know in the comments below, guys, which of these 3 things that you struggle with. Each and every one of these things that I'm about to share with you, I'm going to share with you guys how to get access to all 3 in the description below, all right? So here is the thing, man. The first thing you're gonna need is a product, okay? You need a product, guys, all right? Now, they tell you that it's hard to sell something that you fully don't believe in, okay? Now, I'm not telling you to go out here and buy all of the products that you're going to promote to see if you like it before you start promoting it, okay? Yet still, guys, there are many places out here where you can actually get physical and digital products, okay? I'm gonna share with you guys one of the places where I like to get products. And of course, if you're just getting started, your budget may be small, or you may not have a budget at all. So how can you get some really good products that pays you some pretty decent commissions? All right, that place, guys, is ClickBank. All right, ClickBank, guys, is one of the places that I go to actually get amazing products, right? The idea, guys, is that with ClickBank, basically you are an affiliate of other vendors' products, okay? These people create products, courses, and basically you're just someone that's gonna go out and push it out there to the actual marketplace. And if you get sales, of course, they're gonna pay you a small commission, but it's one of the easiest ways to begin to start making money online, all right? The second thing you're gonna need a funnel, all right? A funnel is simply as this, a process. You need a process that when people come into your actual system or your landing page, that they go through a specific process, and we like to call this a funnel. Yes, you need a funnel in your business. Now, when I first got started, the thing was websites. Everybody needed a website, but now we have evolved, and right now, funneling is the way to go. You need to be able to take your people through some type of process, through some type of pipeline, and basically, have it where you can attract qualified leads and buyers. And the third thing you're gonna need traffic, all right? Traffic, guys, is nothing more than people. You need people to actually come to your funnel, right? Go through your funnel process in order to take a look at the product that you are trying to sell, all right? The idea, guys, is that when it comes to making money online, I really narrowed this thing down to where you need a product, you need a funnel, and you need traffic, okay? You actually have a funnel process. On the back end of that funnel process, you have your what they call a autoresponder, where you begin to build your email list. But just to keep things simple, product, your funnel, and your actual way to drive traffic is by far the easiest way. by doing this, guys, you don't need video, right? You don't need any type of special closing skills, right? And guys, one of my main traffic sources, guys, is solo ads. All right, I know some people may be against solo ads or whatever, but solo ads is really, really cool because it's a way for you to basically use a little bit of your capital and put your link or your information in front of people that have already bought or taken interest in what you're promoting. As far as your funnel, guys, I have a funnel, guys, and here are the results of my last funnel. I have a funnel, guys, that's actually generating you know, pretty good income. And the reason why it's doing that, guys, is because I have a basic funnel, and you can find that funnel below, but it's an easy funnel, and where people begin to opt in, you're able to generate your leads. You're able to literally begin to build your email list, you know, with a simple duplicatable funnel. And I will link that funnel in the description below, all right? And as far as my traffic source, guys, the idea is, you know, I like to use Udemy, all right? It's your preference. There are plenty of places out there to run solo ads. The reason why I like Udemy, guys, because I've built some relationship with some pretty cool vendors. And if you decide to use my share funnel, just take a screenshot and email me. And when you email me, I'm going to send you my list of vendors that I use personally that has given me amazing results. And the reason why I'm doing that, guys, because yes, there are vendors out there that, you know, they will scam you, right? You will lose money. You may not get the results that you're looking for, guys. Every time I use these vendors, I'm getting anywhere between, you know, 25 to some cases 45% opt-in. Meaning, let's say out of 100 people that hit my website, as you can see here, you know, I'm getting almost half of those people to go and take a look at what it is that I'm offering, guys. And even if you have a small percent, 5-10% of those people that potentially buy, guys, those are pretty nice commissions, all right? So you can find all those resources below. Be sure to let me know which of these three that you struggle with, all right? I would love to connect with you guys. I have a link to my private Facebook group. You gotta answer a few questions before I add you to the group, but let me know. I know it asks like, where did you connect with me at? Be sure to put this actual YouTube video, title this video, and that's basically why you're not making money online, guys, because you're probably all over the place, and let me be the one to help you guys to get better results in your business, all right? So be sure to like this video, be sure to leave a comment, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. It's your boy Jay Cobb. Be humble, be consistent, be you.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. For more tips and trainings just like this, head over to JermaineCobbins.com. Don't forget to download your free resource in the description. Also, leave a comment. I would love to hear your feedback. Like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe.